Hello everybody, my name is Nikki, also known as the Bomb Cosplay. Today I'm going to be doing a female Kaneki makeup. I know it's kind of like the trend is dead and all that, like it's like out of date, but I don't know, I just kind of wanted to go for it. It's something I wanted to do for a while. Alright, and I just wanted to take a second here to apologize for lack of activity, not just on YouTube but on Instagram as well. I've been working a lot. I haven't really had much time to cosplay or make videos, so it's been hard, but I'm trying to push out more stuff now. So hopefully I'll be able to keep that promise. Alright, so for foundation I just used the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless whatever. Honestly, lately with all the makeup trends I've been really confused because like people do things in different order. What I find works best for me is to just put foundation on as a foundation for all the other stuff. Wow, who would have guessed? So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Then I'm also going to use the matching Maybelline finished powder product. And then, I don't know what people, like when people use this, but I also have the NYX matte finishing spray. I'm going to do some of that just so I don't rub off any of the foundation. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So the next step for me normally would be eyebrows, but first I'm going to seal it, and then I'm actually going to put my contacts in, just so I don't mess up the makeup afterwards, because, you know, whatever. And for lenses here, because I didn't have any like gray lenses, I just decided to go with brown for the one eye. So I'm going to be using the Cloud9 Brown. I got them from Pinky Paradise. You guys can check them out. For the Ghoul eye, I don't actually have any Ghoul lenses with the red circle, so I'm just going to use my Sabertooth black sclera's there. And then I might edit in the red, I'll edit in the red part of the eye for the pictures that are going to go up on Instagram. But let's get into this. Alright, so one eye in and time for the scleras. And there we go. Oh, I forgot how much I hated these. So now that that's done, I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. Okay, so since there's no real distinct colors around the eye, I'm just going to do some pink and white. Alright, and now for the eyeliner, I have the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black, of course. I find this one has like a super fine tip, so it lets me get like kind of more of the shape I want without having to rub as much off. Alright, so now that we have them matching, time to go in for mascara and then finish up here. Okay, and now that mascara is done, we're going to move on to the last, or well, second last step, and that's just fake eyelashes. Alright, and now that we have that, we're pretty much ready to go. Before I do that, I just wanted to show you guys the mask I'm going to be using. It is this, it's like a rubber, all of it's rubber except for the strap and that of course and the zippers, but rubber zippers, yeah, that's a thing. But yeah, I got this guy for like 50 bucks or so. I know you can find them cheaper. Just look around, there's one on AliExpress, I think. I got this guy off Amazon.